Good evening. Yes, good evening, good evening. Mahaganadhipataye Namah. Take the attendance issue.
Okay. ఇదేనా నాన్న ఇదేనా ఇంకా ఏంటి కనిపించదు చూసాడు
Mahaganadhipataye Namah. Right. Good evening to all. Today's first question. A juice seller has a large cylindrical vessel of the base radius 15 centimeters filled up to height of 32 centimeters with orange juice. The juice is filled in small cylindrical glasses of radius 3 centimeters and at a height of 8 centimeters and sold for rupees 15 each. How much money does he receive by selling the juice completely? ఇది పూర్తిగా అప్లికేషన్ రా. మీరు ఎప్పుడన్నా జ్యూస్ తాగారా? జ్యూస్, పపాయ జ్యూస్, యాపిల్ జ్యూస్, షుగర్ కేన్ జ్యూస్. సో ఒక జ్యూస్ సెల్లర్ ఉన్నాడు, వాడి దగ్గర ఒక పెద్ద సిలిండ్రికల్ వెజల్ ఉంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ హ్యావింగ్ a big cylindrical vessel of radius 15 centimeters and height 32 centimeters. He is having a big cylindrical vessel of radius 15 centimeters and height 32 centimeters. Okay. Now this cylindrical vessel is having juice in it, orange juice in it. Okay. The cylindrical vessel contains orange juice. It contains orange juice. Okay. Okay na? Now this juice is filled. This juice is filled with small glasses which are also in cylindrical shape. That juice which is there in the cylindrical vessel is filled in cylindrical glasses whose radius is 3 centimeters and height 8 centimeters. Radius 3 centimeters, height 8 centimeters. అంటే ఈ సిలిండ్రికల్ వెసల్ లోంచి జ్యూస్ ని ఇలాంటి గ్లాసుల్లో పోసి వాడు అమ్ముతున్నాడు అన్నమాట. ఈ సెల్లింగ్ ద జ్యూస్. దట్ ఫెలో ఈస్ హ్యావింగ్ ద జ్యూస్ ఇన్ ద సిలిండ్రికల్ వెసల్ and that juice he is selling in small cylindrical glasses. The diameter and height of both are given. Now if he sells 1 glass of juice for 15 rupees, how much that he can earn? This is the question. If he sells the juice for 1 glass 15 rupees, how much juice that he can sell? This is the question. Can anyone say the idea? ఎవరన్నా ఐడియా చెప్పగలరా? What we have to do? వాడికి ఎంత మనీ వస్తుంది by selling this juice? ఎవరన్నా? Anyone? Tejal is saying that volume of vessel by volume of glass is equal to number of glasses. Okay. So first we need to calculate volume of vessel, then volume of one glass. So after that, after finding the number of glasses, volume of vessel by volume of glass, you will get number of glasses that the juice can be filled. Number of glasses, cylindrical glasses that we can fill the juice, will get number of glasses is equal to volume of vessel by volume of one glass. You will get number of glasses. So after getting number of glasses, what we have to do? We need to multiply the number of glasses into 15 rupees, because 1 glass of juice is a cost, its cost is 15 rupees. 1 glass of juice is 15 rupees. Okay na? Children, find out that one. First find out volume of vessel. Volume of vessel. Since it is in cylindrical form, volume of vessel is pi r square h. Pi r square h. So 22 by 7 into 15 into 15 into 32. 22 by 7 into 15 into 15 into 32. This is volume of vessel. Now volume of one glass. కంగారు పడిపోయి సింప్లిఫికేషన్ చేయమాకండి. కంగారు పడిపోయి సింప్లిఫికేషన్ చేయరు. pi small r square h. 22 by 7 into 3 into 3 into 8. So this is volume of vessel and this is volume of glass. Now number of glasses. (22 by 7 into 15 into 15 into 32 by 22 by 7 into 3 into 3 into 8. Okay na? Now we can cancel 22 by 7 directly. 3 ones are 3 5s. Again 3 ones are 3 5s. 8 ones are 8 fours are. So remaining is 5 into 5 into 4, which is 100. 5 into 5 into 4, which is 100. మీరు చూసారా సింప్లిఫికేషన్ మీరు చేస్తే పాయింట్స్ లో వస్తుంది మీకు. సూరజ్ భీమనిని, అందుకనే కంగారు పడకూడదు. 100. So number of glasses that we can fill with the juice is 100. Now cost is equal to 100 into 15. So 1500 rupees. So the juice seller can earn rupees 1500 by selling this the cylinder the juice containing in the cylindrical vessel. Okay na? Next question. ఓ పెద్ద cylindrical tank ఉందిరా. There is a big cylindrical tank. Oh, this is how many liters of water flows out of a pipe having an area of cross section 5 centimeter square in 1 minute if the speed of the water in the pipe is 30 centimeters per second. 30 centimeters per second. Let me మన ఇంట్లో ఓవర్ హెడ్ ట్యాంక్ ఉంది కదా, ఓవర్ హెడ్ ట్యాంక్ లో వాటర్ పడాలి అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ కనెక్టెడ్ టు పైప్స్. సో ఓవర్ హెడ్ ట్యాంక్ పైప్స్ కనెక్ట్ అయి ఉంటుంది. మనం మోటార్ వేసిన వెంటనే when we on the motor immediately the water that having on the sump or on the underground first flows in the pipe. It flows in the pipe. After some time the water fell into the tank. It fell into the tank. First it flows in the pipe. Is that right? First it flows in the pipe. Then after some time, after flowing the water after flowing in the pipe, then it fell into the tank. That will happen. Mundu ee water dento flow avutundi, pipe lo flow. ఆ తర్వాత ఏంటంటే అలా ఫ్లో అయ్యి పైకి వెళ్ళి ట్యాంక్ లో పడుతుంది. This is the process what will happen when we switch on the motor. Did you understand or not? ఏమరా నీకు తెలుసా తెలియదా ఇది? You know it or not? Once the tank is empty, then immediately what we will do? We will switch on the motor. And after some time, now immediately after switch on the motor, the water flows in the pipe. It flows in the pipe. Okay na? After some time the water it fell into the tank lo padutundi. Antena? Now what is the question? Understand the question proper. See, how many liters of water that flows in a pipe having an area of cross section of 5 centimeter square in 1 minute. If the speed of the water that is flowing in the pipe is 30 centimeters per second. It is higher order thinking question. Arts. This is analyzing question. Analyzing. We need to analyze it. Okay. First analyze here. Right. Pipe is in the form of a cylinder. Okay. There is a cylindrical tank. And we don't know its dimensions. It is connected to It is connected to a cylindrical pipe. It is connected to a cylindrical pipe. So from the cylindrical pipe, the water flows. It flows, and then after some time, it fell into the cylindrical tank. Okay, na? So this pipe maybe in the, it is connected to the ground. It is connected to the ground. So after switch on the motor, can you hear me? Can you hear me, children? Hello? So many are left. Ask them to join again immediately. Many students left. Ask them to join immediately. Fast. Only 17. So what is given? Base area of cylindrical pipe is given. Since the pipe is in the form of a cylinder, its base area is pi r square, which is given 5 centimeters. And what else is given? What else is given? The water is flowing. Water is flowing at a rate of speed is 30 meters per second. The water is flowing at a rate of 30 meters per second. మరి స్పీడ్ మనం ఎలా తీసుకోవాలి? హౌ వీ కెన్ టేక్? సో అంటే దీని we need to understand this concept very well. Water is flowing at a rate of 30 meters per second. That is, what is the meaning of that one? In the cylindrical pipe, the water is flowing 30 meters length, 30 meters in 1 second. 30 meters in 1 second. 30 centimeters, sorry, right. 30 centimeters per second. Now what is asking? How much water that we can collect in the cylinder in 1 minute? That is asking. So 30 centimeters per second means 30 into 60, 1800 centimeters per minute. So the water flows in the pipe at a speed of 1800 centimeters per minute. 30 centimeters per second అయితే 1 minute ki 1800 centimeters per minute. This is what we have to take it as height of the cylinder. అక్కడ స్పీడ్ ని మనం height of the cylinder తీసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, మనకి ఏరియా ఉంది. We know volume of cylinder is pi r square h. We know volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So here we know pi r square value, which is 5 centimeters square, and h is 1800. So total 9000 centimeter cube. 9000 centimeter cube. Okay na? We know 1000 centimeter cube is 1 liter. So we can collect 9 liters of water. 9 liters of water in a cylindrical tank in 1 minute. 1 minute ki 9 liters of water దాంట్లో cylindrical tank లో కలెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. This is what we have to understand. అయితే ఈ ప్రాసెస్ మనకి ఏది తెలియదు. నీళ్ళు అయిపోయినాయి అనుకోండి, ఓవర్ హెడ్ ట్యాంక్ లో వాటర్ అయిపోతే గట్టిగా అరుస్తాం, అమ్మ వాటర్ అయిపోయింది, మోటార్ అయిపోయింది. బట్ when we switch on the motor, the water flows in the pipe at some rate, at some speed. ఆ స్పీడ్ ని మనం length of the cylinder కింద తీసుకోవాలి. We need to take the speed of the water that flows in the pipe as length of the cylinder or height of the cylinder. Okay, but pipe is in the form of a cylinder, so its base is circle. So base area means area of circle, that is 5 centimeters square. So here 1800 centimeters per minute. So the water flows in the pipe at a rate of 1800 centimeters per minute, and area of base of cylindrical pipe is 5 centimeters. That means in 1 minute 9 liters of water that we can collect in the cylindrical tank after switch on in the motor in this particular problem. That is what you have to understand, children. Okay na? Any doubt in this? Any doubt, children, in this? ఇక్కడ మోటార్ వేసిన వెంటనే ఆ వాటర్ సిలిండ్రికల్ పైప్ లో రన్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. మీకు అర్థమవుతుందా? ఇట్ రన్స్, ద వాటర్ రన్స్ ఇన్ ద సిలిండ్రికల్ పైప్ విత్ సర్టైన్ స్పీడ్. ద వాటర్ రన్స్ ఇన్ ద సిలిండ్రికల్ పైప్ విత్ సర్టైన్ స్పీడ్. అలా రన్ అయ్యే పైకి అలా వెళ్ళి ట్యాంక్ లో పడిపోతుంది వాటర్. సో ఆ స్పీడ్ ని we have to take it as length of the cylinder or height of the cylinder. ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ స్పీడ్ ఏమి ఇచ్చారు? 30 centimeters per second ఇచ్చాడు. We need to convert it into centimeters per minute. Okay, 1 minute is 60 centimeters కదా. So 30 into 60, 1800 centimeters per minute. So this will be the height of the cylinder, and base area is given 5 centimeters. Then volume is pi r square h. Pi r square means area, 5 centimeters, and h is speed of the water, 1800, 9 liters. Okay na? Now next question. So many students next question. A well inside diameter 10 meters dug 8.4 meters deep. The earth taken out, it is spread all around it with a width of 7 meters to form an embankment. Find the height of the embankment. This is another question, beautiful question. Have you ever seen well in villages? Well. ఎప్పుడన్నా వెల్ చూసారా మీరు? A well. What is the shape of a well? Have you ever seen that? Okay. Very good. What is the shape of a well? What is the shape of it? So everyone saw, but no one says the shape. Cuboid. Uma Mahesh, Hanish gariki cuboid shape lo untundi well. It is in the form of a cylinder. మరి వెల్ చుట్టూ పాత్ ఉంటుంది, ఎప్పుడైనా చూసారా? హ్యావ్ యు ఎవర్ సీన్ దట్ పాత్? ఆ వెల్ దగ్గర నుంచి నీళ్లు తీసుకోవాలనుకుంటే దాని చుట్టూ పాత్ ఉంటుంది కదా, సిమెంట్ చేసి చుట్టూత, ఎప్పుడైనా చూసారా? సర్క్యులర్ పాత్ ఇలా ఉంటుంది వెల్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దిస్ ఈజ్ అ వెల్. మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, దాని చుట్టూత ఇలాగా ఓ సర్క్యులర్ పాత్ ఉంటుంది, ఓ సర్క్యులర్ పాత్. ఓ పల్లెటూరులో ఏం చేశారట, ఓ పెద్ద వెల్ తవ్వారు. ద డిగ్ ఎ వెల్ విత్ డయామీటర్ 10 meters and height 8.4 meters. Diameter 10 meters, height 8.4 meters. The dig a well of these dimensions. So since they are digging the well, what they will get, right? Initially, what they will get? When we start digging the well, what we will get? The earth. When we start digging the earth, బావి తవ్వుతుంటే మట్టి వస్తుంది కదా, మట్టి వస్తుందా? తవ్వుతుంటే మట్టి, మళ్ళీ దాని మట్టిని తీస్తారు కదా. ఎప్పుడైతే బావిని మనం ఎర్త్లో బావిని ఎలాగా we start digging the well, first what we get is earth, the mud. Yes, okay. సో వాటర్ ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది? చివరిలో ఎక్కడికో వస్తుంది, లోపలికి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత వాటర్ వస్తుంది, సాత్విక్. కానీ ముందు వచ్చేది ఫస్ట్ ఇనీషియల్గా వచ్చేది మట్టే, మడ్. విల్ గెట్ దట్ మడ్. సో దాన్ని ఏం చేశారు వాళ్ళు, ఈ సర్క్యులర్ పాత్ ఏదైతే ఉందో బావి చుట్టూతా, ఈ సర్క్యులర్ పాత్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అరౌండ్ ద వెల్, the earth that is taken out from the well, the earth that is taken out from the well, okay, is spread uniformly on the path of the earth, on the path of the cylinder. Whatever the earth that is taken out from the well, it was spread uniformly on the circular path. So that immediately what will happen? What will happen immediately? Can anyone say? The earth that is taken out from the well, it was spread uniformly on the circular path that is around the well. Okay? So what happens immediately? Can anyone say? No one. Waiting for your answers. Yes. The level of the path will rises. The level of the path will rise. అంటే అప్పటిదాకా ఉన్న ఒక లెవెల్ కాస్త కొంచెం పెరుగుతుంది. Level increases. Mud dries. Akshay Nation, నేను ఏంటన్నాను, the earth that is taken out from the well, it was spread uniformly on the circular path which is there around the well. So what was the immediately? What happens immediately? Immediately the earth, the rise of the path will, the level of the path will increases. The level of the path will increases. And how much increase is there? That is asking. That is what he is asking. Okay, na? So what we have to do first? First, we need to find out volume of earth that is taken out, which is pi r square h. First what we have to calculate? Volume of the earth that is taken out. Next what we have to find out? Area of part, which is pi capital R square minus small r square. What is capital R? Small r plus W. How much small r is given? 5. W is given 7.5. So this is small r and this width is W and this total is capital R. That is what you have to understand. Okay, so first we need to calculate volume of the earth that is taken out, then area of the part where the earth is spread uniformly, that is pi capital R square minus small r square. What is capital R? Small r plus W. Small r plus W is capital R. What is W? Width of the part. Okay, so capital R is 12.5. Now calculate height or rising level of part. Rising level of part is equal to volume of earth that is taken out by area of part. Volume of earth that is taken out by area of part. Okay, now we know small r and height of the well. We know capital R, we know small r. So calculate volume of the earth that is taken out by area of the path where the earth that is taken out, it was spread uniformly on the circular path. You need to calculate that area. So volume by area you get rising level of path. Rising level of the path. Okay, children? Understand? So with this I am going to conclude this cylindrical part. Tomorrow we will go ahead with conical part. Cone, volume and surface area. Okay? Thank you very much. Dhanyawad.